Hi, this is Mngqithi 10 Sharp iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City, North. Pudi, how's it?
Good.
Good name. Yeah, Bagania for life. You played very well last night. Tonight you came to Loftus to witness 3-0 for Mamelodi Sundowns. How do you feel about the game tonight?
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to talk about the game. I came here to witness the Cape Town City and Sundown. So I was hoping that Cape Town City, they will do what they do last season when the last game.
Invincible breakups.
Yeah, but today they never come to the party. So they give Sundown 3 cheap goals, and then also today's Peter Shalulile saved the job of Manqoba.
Yeah.
Because this is the game that if let's say today Sundowns lose this game, I'm sure today the coach for Sundowns will be jobless today. So Peter Shalulile saved the job of Manqoba. But Sundowns has got everything, but they don't have a coach at the moment.
Not at all. But they've got 3 coaches.
Yeah,
they've got numbers. They've got numbers.
Yeah, they've got 3 coaches, but those coaches are not quality. Yeah, they can't coach this big squad for high inning. So this team for Sundowns, they need people like maybe Benny McCarthy, because Benny McCarthy has got experience and also has got money. So some of the players of Sundowns, they're earning more than coach.
Oh, more than a coach. Yeah.
More than a coach.
Maybe. Do you think they are disrespecting the coach?
Correct. Because if you've got money and
more than your coach,
so what the coach can tell you? There's nothing. So Sundown need a coach that maybe he can win the dressing room, because now he put players because of the pressure. Today we see Mudau come back. We see Mudiba come back, and then also it's the question, we don't see Mukwena. What's happening with Mukwena? Because
our national team asset.
Yes, our national team asset. He was there to play as a reserve, but today nowhere to be seen. So at Sundown dressing room, Mngqithi, he lose the dressing room. So Sundown, please, Benny McCarthy is available. It's better they bring back they hire Benny McCarthy so that he can control all the players for Sundown, because Mngqithi and Fotoza and Steve Compella, they are trying, but they are not doing anything.
No, thank you so much. I know you're not playing on Saturday. Can you please maybe give me your score prediction, not by heart, but just for being a football lover? Who's taking it on Saturday? Yeah,
Saturday is going to be a big one. So yes, Sundown, they are very, very happy here because of the Chiefs result 2-2 with Magezi. So please, Sundown, don't underestimate undermine Chiefs. Chiefs will come back on Saturday. So the game for Saturday, I see the penalty shootout. The game is going to be extra time, and then team.
It's gonna stretch.
Yeah, it's gonna stretch to extra time and then go to penalties. So at the penalties, any team can win. So but the game is going to be extra time on Saturday.
No, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for joining us. Keep well, man. Thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers, and make sure that you share our videos and share our videos with your friends. Thank you.